Hello guys. In this video I will tell you about the new airdrop from the JTO project. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and like the video. I try to find potential airdrops and testnets for you. I highly recommend not to miss this project. So, I will briefly tell you what an airdrop is and demonstrate the process of receiving tokens using my own example. I will leave the official resource for participation in the description under the video. The JTO Airdrop is the distribution of JTO Foundation tokens among eligible Solana ecosystem participants. The goal of JTO is to attract new users to their ecosystem. Let's move on to receiving tokens. To meet the activity criteria. In my case, I have $8,740 worth of Solana tokens in my Trust wallet. I made transactions on the Solana network. The next step is to go to the official website JTOchain.com, which is listed in the description under the video. Next, you need to connect a wallet that is more active and interacted with the Solana network. During the connection process, a window will appear confirming the connection to the site, which must be confirmed. Then we wait for the token to be credited to our wallet. After a while, the tokens were credited to my account. I received $1,427 in JTO tokens. I recommend not to miss this activity and take part. If you have any problems, write in the comments under the video, and I will be happy to help you. Good luck to everyone.